So I just got my CNC1310 from AliExpress. I ordered this one from Germany and it took like 5 days to get to Czech Republic. It says that the package weighs 8 kilograms. I was expecting to be more like 10 to 15, but this is good. So let's see what's inside. Seems to be pretty well packed. Good. So we are starting with this converter. Probably the cable is not suitable for the European standard, but it's not a big deal. Next we have some kind of a configuration for setting up the axis directions. I saw some people complaining in the feedbacks that the Z-axis direction is inverted, so that's why probably I put this kind of a sheet here. Let's move it back. Let's see what's inside. Good. So we start with a micro USB cable. That's for the GRBL firmware. Then we have first pieces. This one seems to be very decent quality, honestly. There is another one, which is, I believe, the same. Next we continue with, there we go. So this is the charger, which is, yeah, indeed using a US standard, but that's no problem. So I put this one here for now. That's, I believe, for the Z-axis. And this is actually the part which I'm most interested in. Those are the linear bearings, which on most of the Chinese CNCs and 3D printers that I bought were really bad quality. So I really want to see how those compare to what I've seen previously. So we're gonna test those as soon as we get to the rods. There's another piece. Just here. More of those. I think in total we should get something like 12 linear bearings. Let's put them here. Really hoping that I will not have to replace those, because on most of my 3D printers I had to buy new ones. There's a pretty good package with screws and nuts, and I also see here the nuts for the lead screw. We will open those later. And here we have the spindle with ER11, I believe, yeah. It's not perfect, but hopefully it will be good enough for some small PCB milling. So let's put this one here. There's some kind of a cable, which I don't know what is that. That's probably for the stepper motors. Yeah, it's like 3 cables, so most probably for the stepper motors. So let's put those here. And then we have the, maybe that's the Z-axis motor. They have integrated screws. One more cable, which is probably for the spindle. So let's try to put those here. And that's for the first part. Can remove this one and proceed to the next pieces. That's what we have next. So I can see here, those are the aluminum profiles. They seem to be of the V-slot type, and there is some scratches here. Oh no, it's not scratches, it's a little bit dirty. 2 more. That's our main board. Maybe that's the Arduino or something like that. There's even Discrete software, it's interesting. And more those aluminum parts. All of them seem to be pretty good quality, very decent. Let me check 1 second. Yeah. All of them are around 10 millimeters. There's a little bit of a difference, but this caliper is not perfect also, so I don't know whether it's the caliper or the parts themselves that are different. So let's put this here. here's the interesting part. Those are the linear rods that I'm really interested to see how those work with the bearings. So I'm just gonna put them for now. I have no clue what those are about, to be honest. But we are gonna check it later. For the Z-axis. Some small tools. I have a lot of those, so I'm probably not using this tool. It's good to have them. For cables. Got some clamps for the details that you're milling. Another one. So we have two of those. Some more tools. It's, I believe, our milling table. So we will see here. Those are for manually rotating the axis. I should have 3 of them, I believe. So 1, 2, 3. And as the all remaining pieces, which is basically those aluminum parts. I'm not going to assemble those immediately, but I'm going to post some photos afterwards to see what is the end result and maybe some test video of how we're milling. So that's everything that we have here. A lot of things, and let's see actually how the bearings work. There's quite a lot of oil on them, which is good, I believe. So there's a little bit of play, but as a whole, they're pretty smooth. I wouldn't say 10 out of 10, but maybe like 8 or 9 out of 10, so good enough. Just try one more. It's exactly the same as the previous one. Let's try one of the other shots. Very similar. Those linear shafts seem to be pretty straight, which is a little bit surprising to me, but really happy with this. So that's pretty much it. That's what we have in this kit. It will take me, I don't know, probably a couple of hours to assemble it, and we will see how it works.